If you've got an old baseboard heater with rusted, dented, or mismatched covers, there's no need to replace the whole thing. You can get new, modern covers and cut them to fit. In this video, I'll show you how to cut your Vail baseboard covers down to size using some basic tools. You'll need a felt tip marker, masking tape, work gloves, tin snips or sheet metal scissors, pliers, and a metal file or sanding block with a medium grit. Start by taking off the old cover. Measure it to determine the correct length of the new cover. Use a felt tip marker to mark the new cover at the correct length. Then square the mark across the face of the new cover with a strip of masking tape. Put on your work gloves for this next step. Starting on the lip on the back side of the cover, cut the cover at the masking tape line with tin snips or sheet metal scissors. The lip might get slightly bent, but we'll fix this later. Next, you'll flip the panel over and starting from the bottom seam, cut the rest of the panel. Now using pliers, straighten out any bends in the metal. It doesn't have to be perfect, as it will be covered by the end cap. Finally, just remove any burrs at the end of the new cover with a metal file or sanding block. That's it! You're ready to install your new custom-cut Vail baseboard cover. With these simple steps, you can have a uniform, modern-looking baseboard heater in no time.